Hey y'all, cheers. Happy Sunday. I'm not inside today, I'm outside today playing with a new toy. Thanks to my sister Karen, I got me a new birthday, retirement, Christmas, and everything else rolled together present. Got me a 36-inch Blackstone griddle. This is my first cook. It's going to be a simple one. I've never used one of these by myself. So we're going to see what happens. I'm going to start off and put a little oil down here. And throw some onions in there. And go wrong with onions. And I'll have to adjust this temperatures as I go. I get used to this thing. I just need enough for 2 sandwiches. Of course, one of them for Terry, so I'll need quite a bit of onions. So, we'll let the onions go. And then we'll put just a little bit of oil down here. And I got me some pastrami, because I like pastrami. And we'll throw some of that down there. Make us a good healthy sandwich. And I got this sliced pretty thin. I'll turn that down a little bit. I don't want to fry this. Just want to cook it. Let's throw a good bit of this on there. So we're going to make 2 sandwiches. That'll probably be enough. See if we can mix it out. Do that. We'll need some more pastrami, I think. I was going to use it all. That's what I got it for. So this is a pound of pastrami. Put that on there. Got me some pumpernickel bread here. Just want to get out of it. We'll get in it. We'll put some butter on that and lay it down on there. So I'll make a bread on there and then we'll be back in a minute.
Yeah.
Onions are about done here. Got my bread buttered and on there. That's what it looks like. We'll let that get hot. Give this another turn. Toss it around a little bit. So, you're going to see a lot of cooks out of this thing with me here in the near future. And I apologize for last weekend. I've been sicker than a dog, man. I'm surprised actually that I'm out here this weekend cooking. I didn't cook or eat anything all last week. I've been really sick. Flu had me down. But
we don't want to hear your excuses. You didn't go to the doctor.
I'm retired now, only working part-time. Uh-oh.
Lord help me.
Cheers. So I got more time for cooking now. So we'll see what happens. Turn that off. Let them onions be set there. Turn that up a little bit. Get that bread toasty. And I actually put this together this morning with Terry, and the only part that she didn't help me on is the only part that I screwed up. Go figure. If you know me, I got no mechanical abilities at all. And so I'll fix what I screwed up. It's nothing major. Won't take much, and we'll be good to go. So, that's about where I want it. I think I'll lay some cheese on there. Got some Swiss cheese. You gotta have Swiss with pastrami. So, of course you would put individual pieces of cheese in every friggin' layer.
Really? They did that?
Yes.
Why?
Well, because they're idiots. They don't know they're selling it to me. I think we probably need one more.
I don't want my bread burnt.
Yeah, I know you don't.
Well,
Sucks to be you. That'd be enough. Alright, go get your plate. Here. There's yours. And just let this go for a few seconds.
you want your plate?
I need a few gadgets to go with this. Like I need a lid so I can put water on here and melt that cheese a little quicker. And,
A pot would work.
Stuff like that, huh?
A pot would work.
Yeah, the lid I wanted to use wouldn't work, so we're good to go. I'm about to pull this off, make me a sandwich. I'll come back and show you what it looks like. And like I say, it's just the first cook. Quick cook, easy cook, and it's good to cook something, man. I haven't cooked a thing in over a week now, so it's good to be back outside in the kitchen. My new kitchen is outside now.
Good. Stay outside.
So, let me make me a sandwich, and then we'll be back and show you what we got. Okay, that's what I ended up with. Pastrami on rye, well, pumpernickel, with Swiss, and there's some onions in there somewhere on the other side. So that's my first cook. I know it's going to be good. If y'all like pastrami, you know it's going to be good. I got to clean my flat top now. We'll see you next time. Y'all have a good one.